telling what all things can be done. Yeah, so I think now I am coming to the last segment of the our talk. Is I will be here. I am actually showing the way I am using this setup myself. So basically, say this one is, you can see that this is the GNB part. So on one machine, Intel i7-99 machine, you are running GNB, CUDU. Core network is also being run here, and through Wi-Fi it is connected to the internet. Okay, and then there is this B210, right? And then you can actually, if you want to run everything in RFC mode, then you can use the Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Or suppose you want to use SDR live network with NRUE also implemented in the software, then you will use one more SDR. So the NRUE is running in software and it is connected. It is emulating the functionality of a mobile by connecting to a SDR. Okay, now the hardware requirement for the NRUE can be somewhat lower. Now this one is the most typical combination, and I also use it most of the time. This is the type of the setup which I will be using. Okay, so everything is clear na till now? Hello? Yeah, so this is just one basically a picture from my own setup. My table and my setup looks exactly like this only. So this is my B210, this is my test mobile, COTS mobile, this is OnePlus device. Then all the core network and RAN is running in this machine in Ubuntu. Okay, this is, again I will skip this one, is I am showing that SRS RAN 4G setup, UE as well as the RAN part. Yeah, so coming to the demo. Yeah, just wanted to pause here and then wanted to check if any queries are there at this point of time. Hello? Can any of you please acknowledge if you people are able to hear me?
No.
Okay. Okay. So is everything clear till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Either my presentation is not clear, or you people are too intelligent that you are able to understand everything. My guess is that you people are very intelligent. Okay, so coming to the demo setup. Yeah, so I'm running everything core network and RAN together. So this is the exact setup I am using. 13 Gen processor, 16 GB RAM, Ubuntu 22. Source code I have built myself for the RAN part, and core network I am running in Docker mode. I will be using USRP B210. This is the configuration for the demo. 40 MHz profile, 30 kHz spacing. This is typical N78 basically, band 78, which is very popular even in India also. Geo, this is one very popular band used by Geo. 106 RBs 2x2 single UE setup. So I will be using single UE, but you can use multiple UEs also. Then 5G COTS mobile. So let me just show that in Visor. I'm actually, this is the mobile. Are you able to see the OnePlus mobile?
Yeah.
I'm showing it in
Yeah.
in the Visor, through Visor. And then additionally, what I'm doing is that I am actually running a COTS UE protocol logger, which is a in-house developed by us, the COTS UE protocol logger. So this is the overall demo setup. Let me know if you have any questions on this setup. So this is the same thing. Core network and RAN is running here. And this one is all monolithic part. I'm not running any CU-DU split or F1 split. I'm running the monolithic part. Then this OnePlus mobile is there with test SIM, and then additionally, this is a new thing. I am actually you will see that this SDR B210 is connected to the host through a USB 3.0 interface. There is another USB port which I am using to connect, because I want to get the mobile side logging or the protocol logs, because I am running this Mobisync UE logger. Okay, so is this clear? So this is also running here on the same OS, Ubuntu OS. So that is clear, na? Yeah, this is the same setup. This is what I am doing. Okay, so yeah, I think we'll skip this part, and then I will now move to the core network. So this is the core network. You are able to see the Ubuntu terminal, right? Hello? So I am actually bringing up the core network in Docker mode. Okay. All right. So what I am also going to do is that I am going to I am just initiating the logging the AMF and UPF logs. Okay. Sorry, I used a, yeah, okay. So now our core network is up. Now next we will bring up the RAN part, the NR-soft modem. Okay, so you can see that we have got a configuration file for B210 and band 78 FR1 containing a specific configurations for that. All right. And then before that I want to do one more thing. I want to initiate the pcap dumps. Okay, and then now I started the, now my RAN is also started, as you can see. Okay, it is just waiting, it is just sending, it's already transmitting. Okay, and then now I will move to the mobile. Okay, let me show you. Okay. So this is the SIM one. Okay, and the access point is also already enabled. So this is the test SIM in SIM1. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove it out of the aeroplane mode, and now it is connected. You can check that it is connected. I'm just running some simple app. It is connected to the 5G SA at N78. Okay, this is the RSRP and RSRQ, and then I will put this in NR only mode. This particular setting is important, otherwise the link will break after 1 minute or so. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start some traffic. Okay, now there is something I want to show you, is that I will start our mobile side logging tool. So this is the COTS mobile logging tool. This is developed in-house by us. So we can get all the MAC RLC PDCP log, all the uplink downlink channels, blur, CQI, BSR, RLC, PDCP, RRC and NAS. All this, the RRC OTA as well as NAS. NAS logs are the decrypted ones. Then some of the L1 specific means the SNRs and cell search related information. And then already by default it is Wireshark mode, and then I will start logging. Okay, I don't know, for some reason it has stopped. Yeah, so are you able to see now? Hello? So now basically I am showing now all these few of the KPIs, starting with blur. So you are able to see now that blur. I am actually moving the system, the mobile little far, so I start seeing the blur, and then this is the DL SNR at L1 level, the ULMCS and then DLMCS. This is the PDCP level throughput. Now for the ideal situation, the PDCP throughput is very close to the application throughput. Okay, I will just stop this now. I just stopped this one and just wanted to show you that we can look at the RRC messages. Okay, at present, since I started this logging part late, so I am seeing only measurement report. So what I am going to do is that I am going to put the device in aeroplane mode and then start this tool again, so that you can see the right from the beginning. Are you people with me? Okay, so at present nothing is there because mobile is in aeroplane mode. Now I am just bringing this out of the aeroplane mode. Okay, so things started and it got connected. You can see. Right. I will stop this. And now I will just show you first the this log. So we have these filters defined already. You can see here MIB, SIB, each and every parameter you can see here. All this RRC setup, request setup, complete authentication, all that is there. Basically all network entry messages you can see here. Right. So this one is at the mobile level, COTS mobile level. So each and every parameter you can see here, including cell search. Right, multiple beams and cells. Then we have got nest messages. They are also decrypted ones. So these can be useful for advanced testing of core network and RAN. Then we have got the MAC messages, all the PDC, CSI report related to CQI, the PDSCH stats, ULTB stats, PHY channel, uplink channel and downlink channel, PUSCH, PUCCH, everything is there. Then I've got PDCP and RLC also. I defined filter, but for some reason I am not able to see that filter. So anyway, so let me So basically all the KPIs which you are seeing, so for example here you can see that the PDCP level information is there. So some of these KPIs which I am having here, for example this I am getting this information from our dissectors, whatever the messages which we are logs which we have extracted from the mobile. Similarly downlink blur, all this thing is coming from these various logs. Okay, so now this part is done. Now what I am going to do is that you can see that the GNB side mobile is connected and you can see the traffic flowing through the downlink and uplink blur, right? You can see that downlink blur is almost 0. There is very little uplink blur, and then what I will do is that I will stop this guy GNV, and then I will stop this collection of the PCAP file. So we have got the recording of the PCAP file of the between core and GNB. Okay, so I will open that. Okay, so this is the PCAP file, right? So here you can see that these are the between N-gap, between core network and RAN, all that SCTP and the 5GS messages are there, right? So these are the information which every RAN engineer uses, right? So all that information is all getting captured, correct? I think here all this whatever communication is happening between mobile and core network also, all that is also is getting captured here also. Okay, and then I want to show you, let me stop the core network part, and then I will show you the, oh my god, UPF logs have not got, okay. So you can see that since I stopped, so it got deregistered. So these are the